Earth is home to 8 billion people. What if only 100 people live there? One person would represent 18 million people. 26 would be children, 64 adults, and 10 elderly. We would only say 10 people on a morning run. So where would these 100 people live? This map shows how people would be distributed if only 100 people lived in the world. Asia would have 59 people, so it would be the most populated continent. Africa would have 16 people, and many of them might live in difficult conditions. Europe would have 10 people. 14 people would live in Western Hemisphere. 8 of them would live in North America, and 6 would live in South America. Only one person would live in Oceania. But in Antarctica, no one would live. How many people would believe each religion? 29 would be Christian, 24 would be Muslim, and the rest would follow other religions. What would education be like? Only 7 people would have a university degree. If you are of them, you are very lucky. How many people would have access to each basic need? 78 people would own a home, and 28 people would not have access to clean water. 11 people would struggle with hunger, while 18 would struggle with obesity. Thank you for watching.